Everyone to another video. Alright, so today what I will be looking at, the broad topics that will be coming on the exam, and I will be explaining these in details to you, my subscribers and viewers. Alright, so as we all know by now that the council has revealed the topics to the Ministry of Education. So these topics that you are seeing here are the topics that will be coming on the exam for paper 2. Alright, so for number 1 we have living organisms and the environment, and this includes like the aquatic web, food chains, which includes the different consumers, primary consumer, secondary consumer, the producer, and all of those, right? It also includes functions of living things such as nutrition, sensitivity, nutrition, movement, all of those functions of living organisms. Alright, so for 2, the skeletal system. You have to know the functions of the skeletal system, such as manufacture of red blood cells, label the parts of the skeletal system, the cranium or the skull, the sternum or the breastbone, the clavicle, the pelvic girdle, all of those you have to know. How much bones, 206 bones made up the skeletal system. You have to know all of that, right? Excretion and homeostasis, linked to chronic lifestyle diseases. So you have to know what is excretion. You have to know that excretion is the removal of metabolic waste from the body. You have to know that homeostasis is the constant, is when your body is at constant, right? So you have to know the definitions of those. You will also have to know the reproductive system. And the reproductive system, you have the male reproductive system and the female reproductive system. You will have to know the parts on the male, such as the testes, the seminical vessel, the prostate gland. You have to know what is copulation, which is another name for sexual intercourse. You have to know the female menstrual cycle, the different kind of hormones such as FSH, LSH, luteinizing stimulating hormone, oxytocin, what is released when a woman is pregnant, and so forth, right? So 5, heredity and variation and disease and its impacts on humans. Heredity and variation have to do with genetic engineering, mutation, mitosis, the Punnett square, the ICA all of those you will have to know for that. Disease and its impacts of humans is basically disease categorized like non-communicable, communicable, and those. So for 6, impact of health practices on the environment. This is where sewage treatment comes in, and the septic tank. Infectious diseases such as STDs like AIDS, gonorrhea, syphilis, different types of diseases that are caused by bacterium cells, and all of those. So that is all in a nutshell that you will have to know. But my hint to you guys that are going to do the exam is to try to watch as many videos as you can, and try to read as much as you can. If there are any other questions as it relates to these topics, you can comment on this video to let me know. Until then, remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you.